So I'm working on putting plywood sheathing on the exterior walls today. You also don't really want to set the plywood down in the mud, it just makes it messy. What I like to do is I put a couple 16 penny nails between the foundation and the mud plate. You set the plywood down onto those nails and it'll hold the weight. And I just use a 8 penny small nail to drive into the stud to hold it temporarily. So with this particular house, the walls are quite tall, so you're not going to always land on board the top of your sheathing. So you're going to have to put in some blocks. You can see I put in those 2x4 blocking between the wall studs. I went out and bought a nice D-wall framing nailer. And with the 21-degree framing nailer, there's more separation between the nails so that it can provide for a full rounded head. I like the full rounded head. It seats better, holds the plywood better. And this particular gun also has an adjustable depth setting, which is nice because you don't want to sink the nail too far into the USB board. You basically want it to be flush after you're nailing. So I was really happy with that choice. This was only about $200. Then you just drive your nails in on the studs. You can hear it when it hits the stud, so you'll know.